Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings from a particular contact on Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to mute notifications from any contact, so you can enjoy some peace and quiet without missing out on important messages. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head to the chat with the contact whose notifications you want to silence. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list, or if you have a lot of conversations, simply tap the search bar at the top and type in their name. Once you find the chat, tap to open it. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the contact's profile picture or their name. Tap on it. This will take you to their profile and chat settings. Here, look for the notification settings. Depending on your device, you'll either see a bell icon, a notifications section, or a toggle switch labeled Notifications. To mute notifications, simply toggle this switch off. On some versions of Telegram, you might also see a mute button or a list of mute duration options, like muting for 1 hour, 8 hours, 2 days, or even forever. Choose the option that works best for you. Once you've made your selection, Telegram will confirm that notifications are now muted for this contact. You'll still receive their messages, but your phone won't buzz or make a sound every time they send something. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch back on. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control of your Telegram notifications. No more distractions from that one chat. Just the messages you want, when you want them. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to make your messaging experience even better.